everyone, Ashley here for Red Apple Lipstick and welcome to the video. As you can probably tell, I have a special guest with me today and this is my mom, Gail.
Hi!
And in this video, she's actually going to be doing my makeup. In the past, I've always done her makeup, but I thought it'd be a fun change to have her be doing my makeup today. So that's what we're going to be doing. She has the colors pre-picked out. I don't know what color she's going to be using. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to take a look and then try to guess and see what colors she's used. So we'll go ahead and get started.
So just to say, I am in no way a makeup artist. So this is just for fun. We're gonna just go with it and see how it turns out.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. So what I kind of tried to do was pick a look for Ashley based on still her style, but maybe not doing it the way like she normally does her everyday makeup. So I'm gonna just start with base here. And I'm taking this all the way up. It's covering the whole entire eyelid, all the way up to the brow bone. All right, so on with the next color. So I'll be close your eyes again. I'm gonna get a pretty good amount of this on my little brush. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit in the corners here. Kind of working it down like pretty close to your lash line here. All right, so this is the next color here. Just gonna kind of more working it out towards the corner of the eye here. So kind of what I'm doing, even though I already put one color on your lid, I'm just kind of blending the two right now. And then the crease color, go ahead and open your eye for me. I'm just gonna bring it down to underneath your eye, lower.
Oh, do you want me to look up?
Yeah, that'd be great. Just kind of following a little bit of the lash line here. All right, now for some eyeliner. All right, so I'm gonna just blend this a little bit here. Close your eyelid. I was gonna go with trying to do like a little harsher eyeliner line, but I'm actually liking a little bit softer.
Okay, how do you feel about mascara? I mean, are you done with the eyes?
I am done with your eyes, yeah.
Okay, do you want to do mascara or do you want me to do mascara?
I think I will let you do the mascara because I know how I am when someone else does my mascara and I'd rather not risk getting it all over.
Okay, well that's one coat.
Actually, I like that.
Just one
perfect,
coat?
yeah.
Okay.
The mascara is awesome.
I always feel like I'm like biased, like if I say it's like really good, but it actually is really good. Okay, so now lips?
Yes. Okay, the funnest part.
Okay, so I'll close my eyes.
I had two different colors picked out and I kind of was gonna wait till the last minute to see which one I really wanted to go with. Because, you know, depends on how the look would come out. And I think I'm gonna do this one. I am gonna do a little bit of gloss on the top of it. Okay, just wiggle your lips around there and blend that. Okay, so if I'm gonna stand back here and see. I like it. Hey, I did it. It is a little harder putting makeup on someone else, I think.
Well, and especially because like we're really close. So it's like, hello. I mean, I haven't really seen it yet, so I'll take a look at it and I'm gonna try to guess what colors you use.
Okay.
And then you can tell me if I'm right or wrong.
Okay.
Okay, so for the eyes, I definitely see some gold in the corner. So I'm gonna guess Golden Girl.
Yes.
Okay, so Golden Girl. And then there's like a orangey brown color that I think might be Yes You Can.
No? So for that one, I used Down to Earth.
Down to Earth. Okay, they're kind of similar.
Yeah.
I should have known that actually. Because Yes You Can's more like matte and this definitely has a sheen to it.
Mm-hmm.
If you use like a really light color, But if you use, I mean, I think you did when you first started. Did you use buttercream?
I did.
Okay.
So I did buttercream all over the lid, clear up to the brow bone, so that at the brow bone it would look like a highlight. And then I used Golden Girl in the corners and down just a little bit in the corner of your lower. And then I used
Down to Earth
as
the crease.
In the crease. And then a little bit of, what's the fourth one?
I used the fourth one, yeah.
Yeah, I brought it in the corner and down around the lower lash line.
Brownie points?
Twinkle Taupe.
Twinkle Taupe. I love the eyeshadow.
Yeah.
It actually does make a really good under.
It did,
because it's it gives definition, but it's softer.
Right. And then now for the lips.
Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna guess New York.
Yes.
It's one of my favorites. And then for the lip gloss, did you do, I'm trying to see if there's shimmer. I don't see any shimmer. Honey Badger?
Nope, I used the Brazen Raisin.
Ooh. See, it looks dark in the tube, but it actually doesn't go on that dark.
Yeah,
it makes a really nice top for lipsticks. I really like that because, you know, I put on New York recently and it was kind of light.
Mm-hmm.
So the Brazen Raisin kind of helps to darken it a little bit so it's not too too light. Because I don't really like it when nude color lips are too light.
Right.
Awesome. Good job, Mom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom, so much for joining me in this video. I hope you had fun.
I did. It was a lot of fun.
Oh, I'm so glad. That's awesome. And I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. And to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope you know how much you are appreciated, how much you are loved. And yeah, happy Mother's Day. Take care. Bye.
Bye.